What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stoner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we finna get right to it. We ain't got time to waste, baby. You know what I'm saying? Boots can hit the ground in a minute and I ran. Hey, man, here we go. All right, so we broke through that support. This the S&P. Bro, listen. You ain't got to trying to be finding all these weird stocks and all this stuff and oh they got a this and that and oh they got a partnership. Man, don't worry about none of that. All you got to trade is the S&P. Get your Robinhood account, Weeble, Moo, and Shoo, Woo Woo. It don't make me no difference. I trade Robinhood. Easiest the way for me to do it. But anyway, just go short every day, bro. Just go short. Any other day, go short. Now you gonna have you ain't look green in there, and we about time for another little bap. Now this little bap might be short. It might go bam and then come down. I wanted to come back up to 650. That way I know. Look at that support. Bam, bam. It hit 650, bro. We coming all the way down here. Like that. That's when you don't go short right here. You go short when it come back on the pullback. The pullback. See that? The top of this green. That's when you go short. And I've been saying we're going short since way up here. My lines are down here, not up here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody tell you, oh man, we're gonna be making all this money under Trump and not. No, bro. Here's the thing: you got 50% of the people. The market has been taken over by Trump tweets. 50% of the people think he's just telling the truth. 50% of the people think he lie every time he open his mouth. So you got to work against that. My thing is you can't ignore the signs, bro. GDP is down. AI taking all the jobs. You know, it just we in bad shape, bro. The tariffs still, you know what I'm saying? Inflation, gas $5. Bro, we done. It's over. It's over. We got midterms coming up. The Democrats go take the House. It's over with, bro. It's over. Like it ain't gonna go like that. It's gonna do all this and do all this and do all. You gonna think you're losing with the green? Just go short, bro. Wait for a pullback. We might get the whatever. Now you can watch oil too. WTI. You know what I'm saying? Look, there go the line. Look at that. Bap. If them Marines set foot on Iran soil, all is go. Good God Almighty. See, the news media already covering up stuff. Iran is blowing up ships in the I'm about to say the Baltic Sea, in the Straits of Hormuz right now. They just did it yesterday. Like, you gotta watch these people with these cell phones over there and stuff, bro. You gotta watch these alternative news, not the regular news. They don't want to cause a panic, and you gotta stay on the good side, cause Trump will come after you and shut your network down. You gotta watch these folks with these cell phones, stuff like that, these drones and stuff. Man, they catching the good stuff. So, everybody thinking we obliterated Iran's navy and military. They ain't got nothing. They just over there waiting to make a deal. Man, these folk is shooting missiles. I'm trying to ask Kuwait if they ain't got no more missiles. Ask Saudi Arabia. Folk don't even want to travel to Saudi Arabia because boy, they right now like they tearing them up. Anyway, so watch the soldiers. If the soldiers hit the ground, you can go long. Do an option. I ain't saying just buy the stock, do options so you can be in and out. I ain't had time to show you all that. But make a call, and bro, it's so much money to be made. You got to come back up here. There's so much money to be made in these look. Man, I'm giving you the game. Just wait, bro. Wait for the tweet. Whatever he tweet, if he tweet, we got to make a deal. It's a total lie, but half the people going to believe him. So guess what? We're going to do this right here. All going to go down. So you ain't got to catch the whole move. Catch the little meat right there. If he make a tweet and say we got a deal, oh yeah, we this and that, all gonna come back down. Just catch the meat and be in and out. All gonna go down and the stock market gonna catch a little pump. Once people figure out he lying, we going back down, all going back up. That's just the way it gonna go. That's the truth. Now you can go listen to whoever you want, bro. I debate anybody on that. That's the truth. That's the honest truth, bro. Anyway, but if you're a member, guess what? You know what we doing. You know what I'm saying? Now check it out. Look at the S&P. The S&P over the past year, bro, up 14%. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see what my silver did over the past year. Silver. Ain't no chart available. No, it's my computer running slow with this software. Come on up now. Stop playing now. Let me go over the gold. Let me see if the gold will come up. No chart available on gold either. How y'all gonna do your boy? Dang, I can't even refresh the page. Got this thing in the way. And not OBS, but my thing is in the way, bro. And I can't even refresh. Let me do year to date. Oh, so y'all ain't gonna let me do nothing? I can't prove my point. I'm talking about they ain't gonna let me do Nathaniel. Anyway, I wonder why. Well, I know why. What this thing need to get out the way. Let me refresh. I can't refresh the page. Man, I want to show y'all. It's better when you see it. Anyway. What? Top Dino. What are you talking about? I don't want to top no Dino. Get out of here. Back to my tap Dino. They won't show me. Let me see if we go back to the. Okay, it's showing the S&P. Let me see if I go back to Sigma. Yeah, no chart. See, it ain't. Yeah, I don't even know if you can hear my computer. Man, that thing breathing hard like it's running upstream or something. But anyway, I'm sticking with silver and gold, bro. I don't know what nobody else. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can do it over here. Do it live. I got too many boxes open. Come on now. Boy, that thing gave me the circle of life. Man, this is tripping. Let me see if I can. Oh, it ain't gonna do right. So I ain't gonna let y'all see it, cause it don't want y'all to win. I want y'all to win. The circle of life ain't gonna let you win, bro. But I'm gonna tell you right now. Get you some silver, get you some gold. I'm trying to tell you. My members know. They know where I get it from, how much I get, the denominations I get it in, when I get it. You know what I'm saying? How often, should I buy? Hey, man, we ain't even talk about the ratio. But that's the most important video I got up, if you know about that. And here's the thing. Well, I'm going to say that for members, too. But listen, it's the weekend. Something's going to break. Something's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? So you can't do nothing anyway. So Monday morning, I may do a video tomorrow for Monday morning. We either going to bounce back up. We have a hard bounce. It doesn't matter. If we bounce, you ain't got to catch it. You ain't got to try to buy it and catch it up. Just wait. We bounce up, getting them 640, 650, and we coming back down. You see what I'm saying? We got too much headwinds. Ain't no jobs. Ain't no money. Ain't no nothing. Ain't no Fed. Ain't no nothing, bro. We through. The economy is we done till we get down here. But it's gonna be choppy.